Here's the autopsy on the H bow. The first thing of note is that the upper knock is totally absent, having sheared off. But of course I don't know if that happened first or second. I think what possibly happened first is this lower limb exploded. It's gone between two pin knots there and there. So this section of the back popped out. And this bit went flying down range quite a long way. Fit that in there. Does it go that way? No, that's better. I had some of the bits back to front there. That's how that limb fits together. And that's where that pin knot had been repaired. So it was the lower limb of this bow that exploded between that pin knot and that pin knot. And I never did find the top knock. Yeah, it's a sort of sideways view of how it went. That's about the size of it. Anyway, the grip section is still there and usable. If I ever decide to do something similar, maybe a slightly larger scale, I don't know, say 40-inch bow, 20-inch arrow, something like that. That'll take a bit of editing.